The GameStop thing, this is the most epic thing I have ever seen in the market. We are now on Reddit WallStreetBets. You probably know already what is this about, right? I'm gonna show you this crazy gains of some guy. Deep if value, you probably know this guy already. If you don't know what is this about, I will explain you very quickly, okay? What is going with GameStop? Meme stocks explain. I will explain you very quickly. It's epic. I think there are gonna be some movie about this, or definitely they will write about this in the books in the future. So very quickly, guys on Wall Street Bets decided that they will short squeeze GameStop, because GameStop was heavily shorted by institutions, hedge funds and so on. So they decided to heavily buy this stock and try to short squeeze it. Short squeeze is basically if you have short position, it means you borrowed share, you sold it, and you hope price is going down, so then you can buy share for less price and make profit and give back that share to the lender, right? But if you are shorting the stock and price goes up, you are forced at some time to close your position because you would lose a bunch of money. But closing short position means that you have to buy the stock. They were forced to buy the stock for higher price, and that closing positions, that buying stocks was increasing the price even more. It's a short squeeze. Also in this case there is also gamma squeeze. Gamma squeeze very easily if bunch of people are buying options. This is what they were doing, Wall Street guys, Wall Street bet guys. Option sellers need to hedge their position and they are buying underlying stock as well, so they are increasing the price as well. And if something like this happens, you are gonna see something like, something like this. What is the price change here? I don't know, from, let's say from December. The price change is 1500% only from December, okay. And why is this epic? This is like battle, retail investors versus institutional investors. Like poor guys versus rich guys, and poor guys are winning right now. It's not common that poor guys are winning in situations like this. Hedge funds what were shorting the stock are already in losses like billions of dollars. It's totally crazy. I don't know how it's gonna end. What do you think how it's gonna end? I don't know guys, but this guy from community is posting his returns. And he posted yesterday or 2 days ago, it was $27 million. And day after he posted this, that he's in profit, wait for it, $47 million. Okay, he transferred some money to cash, that's clever from him, but he's still holding $47 million. He bought some GameStop stock and GameStop options. And do you know how much money he invested? He invested $50,000. And the most epic thing is that we are now waiting if he's still holding. I'm waiting for his update. But if he's still holding, look at today's market. The pre-market is already 30% more, so if he's still holding, that new price is like $450. He can probably have, I don't know, $57 million, maybe $67 million, we don't know, maybe this day he will get $70 million. I don't know if he's holding, but we will see. It's totally crazy. One day he has 27 million, another day 47, another day maybe 67 million, and another day maybe 5,000. I don't know what is. This is totally crazy. My friends, I recommend you to learn about it, learn about that situation, because this situation is going to get in the books. This situation is maybe have a movie in the future, because this is just totally crazy. The small guys versus big guys. Usually big guys always win because they are big institutions, big hedge funds, they have informations, they are manipulating the market often, right? And now, if small guys did it, let's say they did it right now, what is gonna happen? Are they gonna shut down, or I don't know what is gonna happen? What do you think that is gonna happen right now? I don't know. What is the end of this? Write me, my friends, in the comments, what do you think that is gonna happen? What is the end of this situation? I don't know. And don't forget to check the Reddit for the memes, because the memes are the best part of all of this. The memes are the best part, man. Buy high, sell never. Write me an opinion about this in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!